So you know, during the show when we have aircraft coming in over the top of us and we get that downwash, particularly with the 777s and generally the bigger jets. But here's something really interesting that I'm going to show you. When I was being interviewed by Ian from the Telegraph right at this spot, 320 Neo went in over the top of us. The conditions yet on that day were perfect for getting that noise of the crack of the whip of the Vortex noise that you get and all that. But this is the first time I've ever seen this, with a vortex being created by the downwash and coming across us like a true tornado. So watch this. Really hot. Normally I've got my silly hat on, which looks stupid but is a necessity. You know, I go from extremes of 35 degrees